So I've been out of town all week and thinking about wings all weekend. So let's get these cleaned up, rinse them off, and I pat them off to make sure that they're dry, no excess liquids, because we want some crunchy wings. Next, let's get these seasoned up. I used three seasonings. You use what seasonings you like to use. I used Old Bay, Accent, and Danos. Those are my top three right now. You mix all that in, get it all nice and mixed up, and it has to be covered. You have to see it. Make sure that you add your cornstarch to make sure that it ends up extra crispy at the end. Mix well so that all the wings have a coating of the cornstarch. Now it's time to get them in the air fryer. I normally place about 6 at a time so that they're not overcrowded. And heat your air fryer to about 390 for about 20 minutes. And check them periodically. I would say halfway through, give the basket a little shake. And while you're doing that, you can just make your sauce. I use this plastic container because it's easier for me to shake the wings with. I do use Buffalo Wild Wings medium sauce. I add a little bit of either regular garlic or roasted garlic paste. I prefer the regular garlic, but I only had roasted garlic. And for this particular recipe, I used a little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning. Mix well. Make sure you get as smooth as possible. And once the wings are done to your liking, go ahead and take them out of the air fryer. As you can see, mine are well done. I like them that way and very crispy. Go ahead and dunk them in your mixing sauce. Once you have them all out of the air fryer into your handy dandy Rubbermaid shaker, you can put on the lid and shake them until they are completely covered. I like mine very saucy, so I did put a lot of sauce in here. You can make yours again to your desired liking. Once they're all shook up, add them to a bowl, and yes, they are ready to eat. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like, subscribe for more simple recipes.